Hey, hi, hello. Ignore the space heater. Today I am going to do my February Ipsy bag. I know it's super late in the month, but my Ipsy bag literally comes like the third week of the month. So it is what it is. We're gonna go through it just so I have something to edit and then put out next Wednesday. You know, that's how it is. I'm trying to get back in that YouTube thing, girl. I'm trying. Bear with me. And you know, I don't even have that many subscribers. I think I have like 100, but that's pretty fucking cool to me because I just sit in my room and talk to a camera by myself. And I just like telling people about makeup because I have a lot of it and it's something I've always liked to do. Thanks for anyone who still watches me. I appreciate it. This is what it is. We're gonna get into it. Okay, so this is the bag. Obviously kisses all over it for Valentine's Day. I like it better than last year's Valentine's Day bag. Just pull out the first item I put my little graspy fingers on. Okay, this is the Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. Oh wait, maybe it's by Seraphine Botanicals. Okay, so it's the Seraphine Botanicals Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiant Booster. Don't know what color it's in, but here's the packaging. I think it is super cute. I think Daisy and Pearl might be the color, or this is in the color Daisy because on the back right here it says Daisy right above the barcode. Anyway, I don't fucking know. It is vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free. It says on the back, and I'm gonna get it out of the box. Maybe it's in the color Radiance Natural. I don't really know what color it's in, to be honest with you. It's in this color. Because if this is a highlighter, this is not working for me at all. I feel like that's way too dark to go on my pale skin as a highlighter. I feel like that would be more of the type of highlighter you put on someone who's a medium, like olivey kind of skin tone, or like not a ghost. Okay, let's read what it is because it might be an eyeshadow, I don't know. But for this size, I think it's a highlighter. A highly pigmented radiance booster formulated with micronized illuminating pigments, natural daisy flower extract, and jojoba seed oil to add a wash of color and luminosity whilst helping to keep skin hydrated and soft. I'm guessing this is a British fucking brand because they say whilst. So it is a highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and not swatch this because I feel like even though Ipsy is made to go with like your skin tone and like your little profile, and I told them I'm a ghosty ass ginger, I just know my makeup and I just know that this is probably gonna be too dark and I don't want to waste it by swatching it. So I think I'm gonna put this back in its packaging and pass this along to someone else who will love it and use it because I don't think I will, and I don't want to swatch it so no one else can use it. Next item in here is the Pixie Skin Treatment Glow Tonic. I actually have this in a full size. My very good friend Julia is obsessed with this stuff and swears by it. It is a exfoliating tonic. I have used my full size one from Target, which retails for like 16 bucks I think, a few times. I don't know if I love it or not. Kind of makes my skin burn and I don't know if it really does that much. So I might honestly just mail this to Julia as a travel or keep it for travel size. Maybe I'll start using the big one more and see if I like it to keep the smaller one. So that's that. But this is a good find because Pixie is in Target, so I like that they put a brand that if you did like this product, you could easily go pick it up at Target because they're like everywhere. This is the Sugar brand. It's a Pout Time. It's a Pout Time. Vivid Lipstick Mini, not liquid lipstick. And this is the box it came in. Oh, and this is super cute. It's like super tiny. It says Sugar, the brand on the front, and then it says It's About Time. And this is in the color Better Call Salmon, but it's not a salmon color. It's like, I think it looks redder in my viewfinder than it really is. It's like a brickish red color. I mean, they give you a good amount. The packaging is very chic and sleek. It's very compact. You could easily lose it in your pocket. I think this is one of the things I will keep, and then I like to take these out when I fucking don't go anywhere because I kind of don't go anywhere. But I can like chuck them in my everyday makeup bag that I drag around or like put it in my coat pocket and then just take it out when I need to. So that is nice. I will keep that for sure because I like that nudie kind of color. Meech and Mia. It's a pressed powder eyeshadow in the color taupe, I think. Yeah. I actually really love this color a whole lot. I think it's like a really nice taupe, obviously. But it has like a nice kind of like mauviness to it as well, and it's not just purely brown or like grayish, I guess. I don't know. What is taupe? What is taupe? What is our existence? No one knows. I really like this color. However, it's a single eyeshadow, and unless I can depot it and put it in one of my Z palettes, I'm not going to use this. I have a bunch of single eyeshadows. I never go in that drawer to use them, and I'm trying to be better about only keeping makeup that I'm going to use. So I'm gonna pass this along to a friend who will actually use this, appreciate it, and love it. But that is a really nice color. I really want to open it and see if I can pop it out, but just from looking at the packaging in here, it's gonna be really hard to like snap it out without breaking it because it's in there pretty deep. Like it's deep set in the pan, so I don't want to do that. Ooh, okay. The last thing is by MAC Cosmetics, and it is the Studio Fix Powder in NC20, which is awesome because I'm actually NC15 or NC20. So they give you a tiny little sample of the face powder and then a little spongy to apply it. I've actually never tried the MAC Studio Fix powder. Everyone has been raving about it for like 15 years. I know, my friend Emily, this is literally the only powder she uses. So this is kind of cool to be able to use. I like that it's in a little sample so I can like try it out. Obviously, instead of paying like, what is it, 35, 40 bucks for the full size thing and not have it fit. This is a little bit more yellow than what I would normally wear. I know because I have the lamp on in front of me, it doesn't look it, but it is pretty goldeny, which I prefer a more yellow foundation on myself, even though if I were to rub my foundation off, like there's a very clear difference between the color of my foundation and my actual skin. And surprisingly, my skin is still like 3 shades lighter than my foundation is right now. And I do have more of a pink undertone to my skin, but I feel like when I put a liquid foundation that does have a pink undertone to it, I look disgusting. So I do a yellower one. I don't know. That's just my preference. I think I look normal-ish, but I also like a super matte foundation too. Like I don't want to look skin-like at all. I want to look like chalk because I'm a freak. But anyway, rant that you didn't need to hear. Anyway, that is everything that was in my Ipsy bag this month. The 5 items. I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy with this month's bag. I thought I had a good variety. I mean, toner is a skincare product. There's a face powder, an eyeshadow, a highlighter, and a lipstick. So you basically have kind of like anything you need to get ready for the day. I mean, you could easily put the MAC all over your face, do this ahead of time, put the lipstick on, just put taupe all over your eyelid, put the highlight on, and run out the door, girl. So you literally have an entire face of makeup in this one Ipsy bag for $10. Again, some of the items I'm gonna pass along to friends just because I know I won't use them and I don't wanna waste them. I really wanna keep the eyeshadow and I really wanna see if that highlighter will work with me, but I don't want to risk that it's not going to and then not be able to give it to someone. So that is my Ipsy bag for this month. If you like to see Ipsy bags, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you want to keep seeing them. If not, I'll stop doing them and I'll just enjoy them by myself. And that's it. I'm gonna go eat because it's 9 o'clock at night and I'm a hungry ass bear. Okay, bye!